Good day, children. Sai Ram. In the previous chapter 26, we have learnt about the action words and how to use them in the sentence. For example, what we have learned, just once I will tell you. Okay. Now look at this picture. What action she is doing? What is she doing? Can you tell me what is she doing? How are you going to answer? Drinking, no? But how are you going to answer? She is drinking. Okay? What is she doing? She is drinking. So we have learned this, how to use these action words in the sentence. Okay? Now, today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter 27. In this chapter, we are going to learn to frame question and answer. Okay? So let us start. Okay. Now, how do we make question? How do we make question? We always start the question from how, when, which, where, why or what. So we always begin the question from how, when, which, where, why and what. From this we can know that is a question sentence. Okay. Now, if you want to answer in yes or no, if you want to answer in yes or no, then how will you frame the question? How are you going to frame the question? You will use the words am, is, are at the beginning of the question. So, if you want to answer the question in yes or no, then how will you frame the question? You will use the words am, is, are at the beginning of the question. Like, am a boy. Am a boy. So, am is used when we talk about ourselves. We use this word am when we talk about ourselves when you are asking the question. Am I a boy? Next, is he writing? Is he writing? Is used for single person. Is he writing? When you want to ask, is he writing? Okay, so is used for single person. Are they singing? Are they singing? So when we use are in the question, are is used for many person. Are is used for many person. Are they singing? So when we talk about many person, we use are. Are they singing? Okay? Now, what is the meaning of yes? What is the meaning of yes? Where do we use it? Where do we use yes? Where do we use yes? Yes is used to show that you are ready to listen or you want to do or the answer is correct. So what is the meaning of yes? Or when do we use yes? Yes is used to show that you are ready to listen or you want to do or the answer is correct. Okay? Now example you can see. Now you look at this picture. Okay? Now here, is he writing? Now observe the picture properly. Is he writing? So if the answer is right, yes. Is he writing? Yes. Then what will you answer? How will you answer? Yes, he is. So the answer is correct. So what will you use? Yes. Is he writing? Yes, he is. So if the answer is right, you agree with it, then we use yes in the answer. Is he writing? So, what will be the answer? You agree with that, no? He is writing, right? So, answer will be yes, he is. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of no? What is the meaning of no and where do we use no in the answer? Okay? Where do we use no? Now, no is used to show that you are not ready to do or don't want to do or the answer is incorrect. So, what is the meaning of no? Or when do we use this no? No is used to show that you are not ready to do or don't want to do or the answer is incorrect or the answer is not correct. Okay? Now for example, now again look at this picture. Okay, observe this picture. Now see here. Is she swimming? Is she swimming? So observe the picture properly. Do you agree with this question? Is she swimming? No, no. What she is doing? She is skipping. Right? She is not swimming. So how are you going to answer? You don't agree to this. So what will you write? No, she is not. Is she swimming? Observe properly. The answer is correct. Then you say yes, she is. If the answer is not correct, if you don't agree to this, then what will you say? No, she is not. No, she is not. Okay? Next one. Now, I'll give you, see here. So, if you agree with something, we use yes. If you agree with something, you use yes in the answer. Okay? If you don't agree with something, we use no in the answer. Okay? If you don't agree with something, we use no in the answer. So, if you agree with something, you use yes. If you don't agree with something, we use no in the answer. Okay? Now, I will explain you with the more examples. Okay? When to use yes and when to use no in the answer. Okay? Now, look at this picture. See what is the question? Is he running? Is he running? What is the question asked? Is he running? Do you agree that he is running? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, he is. So in the picture you can see the boy is running. So is he running? So you agree that he is running. So how will you answer? Yes, he is. Is he running? Yes, he is. Okay. Next question. Next example we will see. Again you observe this picture properly. So what is the question? Is she sleeping? Is she sleeping? Do you agree with this? Is she sleeping? You can see her sleeping. Now what she is doing? She is eating. So how are you going to answer? You don't agree that she is sleeping, right? So what will you answer? No, she is not. No, she is not. Is she sleeping? No, she is not. Next example. Now see this boy, what he is doing and what is the question? Is he eating? Is he eating? See the picture? What is he doing? Eating. Yes, you agree now that he is eating? So what will be the answer? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Is he eating? Yes, he is. So you agree with this, na? That he is eating. So you'll answer yes, he is. Next one. Now see these boys what they are doing. Okay, and what is the question asked? Are they playing? Are they playing? Why you are using are here? As I told you before that are is used for many person. Okay, are is used for many person. So here there are many boys. So we'll use are in the question. Are they playing? So observe this picture properly. Do you agree that they are playing? Yes. How are you going to answer? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they playing? Yes, they are. Okay. Next example. Now, again look at this picture. See what is the question asked? Are they fighting? Observe the picture properly. Are they fighting? Do you agree that they are fighting? No. What they are doing then? They are singing. So, what are you going to answer? How are you going to answer? Are they fighting? No, they are not. Why did we use no? Because we don't agree that they are fighting. So, are they fighting? No, they are not. Okay? Now, you're going to start with the workbook activity. Now you know how to answer using the word yes or no. Okay? Now you are going to take your Active English workbook. Take page number 40. Open page number 40. 40. At the top of the page, you are going to write today's date. Beside chapter 27, you are going to write today's date at the top. Okay? So let us start. You are going to write with the teacher. Write the answers with the teacher. Okay? The first one. Observe the picture properly and see what is the question asked. Is he laughing? See the picture properly. Is he laughing? Do you agree that he is laughing? Yes. Yes. What is the answer? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Number 2. Is she crying? See properly. Is she crying? Do you agree? No. So, what you will write here? No, she is not. No, she is not. Okay. Is she crying? No, she is not. We go to the next question. Number 3. Is dash shouting? First you have to finish the question. Complete the question. Is dash shouting? Now what will you write here? She or he is a boy. So what will you write? Is he shouting? Is he shouting? Can you see? Do you agree that he is shouting? Yes. So how will you write? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. So children, write the answers in the blank space. First one is he is. Is he laughing? Answer is yes, he is. Number 2. Is she crying? Answer no, she is not. Number 3. Is he shouting? Answer, yes, he is. Write fast in a good handwriting. Okay, finished? You go to the next question. Now see number 4. Dash dash singing. Now here first finish the question, complete the question and then the answer. Now dash dash singing. Now who is she? Girl. So what do you write? Is she singing? Is she singing? Do you agree that she is singing? No. What she is doing? Drinking. No. So no, she is not. Is she singing? No, she is not. Okay? Go to the next one, number 5. Now here many children. So are. Complete the question first. Are dash singing. So what will you use? Are. What will you use? There is one girl and 2 boys. So what will you use here? Yes, we'll use they. Are they singing? Are they singing? Then, do you agree that are they singing? Do you agree with that? Yes. How will you answer? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay. Next one, number 6. Dash dash speaking. First finish the sentence. Okay. Dash dash speaking. Now what will you write here in the question? She is a teacher. So what will you use here? Is she speaking? Is she speaking? The answer? Do we agree that she is speaking? Yes. So how will you answer? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Okay. Again I'll read the number 4 question and answer. Is she singing? Answer, no, she is not. Number 5. Are they singing? Answer, yes, they are. Number 6. Is she speaking? Answer, yes, she is. So children, we have finished Active English workbook activity. Okay. Now I'm going to give you homework. So this homework you are going to write in your home notebook. Okay. The homework is look at the picture and answer the question. Look at the picture and answer the question. Okay. And you have to answer in yes or no. Okay. So you have to write the head question. You'll write in your home notebook. You are going to write subject Active English, chapter number 27, and you'll write the head question. Look at the picture and answer the question. Now, children, you have to write question plus answer. Okay, you have to write question and answer. I am not going to give the answers here. Okay, so write question and what is the answer you are going to write below that on the line. Okay, the first question is he reading? So, if you agree with that, you write yes, he is. If you don't agree, then no, he is not. Okay, like that you have to answer in yes or no. Okay, so is he reading? First one is. Then second one is she crying? So observe the picture properly and answer. Okay, in yes or no. Next one, 4 questions are given. So all the 4 questions plus answer you have to write. Number 3 is he swimming? Number 4 is he swimming? Number 5, are they standing? Are they standing? Okay. So children, you have to write this homework in your home notebook. Anytime I am going to ask you. Okay. Now children, we have ended with our today's period and we'll meet in the next period with a new chapter. Till then, have an energetic day. Bye.